everyone. Welcome back to the English Duo podcast. My name is Sarah, and I hope you're having a really good day today.
And I'm Daniel. I'm happy you're here with us. Really, thank you for listening. It means a lot.
It really does. So, Daniel, how are you feeling today? You look kind of tired.
Oh, yeah, I'm fine. I just woke up late again. My alarm clock hates me. I swear it does.
Your alarm clock doesn't hate you. You hate your alarm clock.
Okay, yes, that's correct. But I'm good. I grabbed a coffee. I'm alive. I'm ready.
Good, because today's topic is actually super helpful. We're talking about asking for help in public in very simple English.
Yeah, and honestly, this is something everyone needs. Even native English speakers need this sometimes.
Oh, yeah. I ask strangers for help pretty often.
Same. One time I got lost inside a mall. A mall, Sarah. A place for buying socks, not a forest.
Wait, tell this story. I love this story.
Okay. So, I went to this huge mall with my friend, and I wanted to buy a pretzel. I said, I'll meet you in 5 minutes. 5 minutes turned into 40 minutes because I could not find the pretzel place again.
You got lost in a circle. Malls are circles.
Exactly. And I was too shy to ask anyone for help. I just walked around and around and around.
Like a hamster, confused.
Yes, like a hamster who forgot why he exists.
So, this is why today's topic matters. Sometimes you really need help, and asking is okay. When you're in a new country or a new city, asking for help can feel scary. You might think, what if they don't understand me? What if my English is not good? What if I sound weird?
But here's the truth. Most people want to help you. Really, people like helping. It feels good.
And you don't need perfect English. You just need simple English.
Exactly. Even small phrases can help you get directions, ask for information, or stay safe.
So, Daniel, let's start simple. Imagine you're in a big city. You don't know the area. You need help.
Oh boy. Classic.
What do you say first?
I always start with something very soft and polite, like, "Excuse me, can you help me?"
Yes, that sentence is amazing because it's simple, it's polite, and anyone understands it.
And if you're shy, you can make it even smaller, like, "Excuse me, help?" People still understand.
Absolutely. People get it immediately. Okay, imagine this. I'm visiting New York City for the first time. Everything is big, everything is loud. I want to go to the subway, but I have no idea where it is.
This is so realistic.
I look around and I see a nice woman standing on the street. I walk up slowly and say, "Excuse me, can you help me? I'm looking for the subway."
Perfect. Then usually the person will say something like, "Sure, it's over there," or "Go straight, then turn right."
And if I don't understand the direction, I can say, "Can you say that again, please?" Or, "Can you say it slowly?"
Yes. People are very kind when they see you're learning.
True. One time in Chicago, this man literally walked with me to the place I needed.
Oh, that's so sweet.
It was sweet, but also funny. I was like, "Sir, you're late for work now."
And he said,
And he said, "Helping you is more fun than my job."
I love that.
Another common situation. You're in a store, you can't find something.
Oh, yeah. Happens to me all the time.
Let's do an example. I'm at a supermarket. I want rice, but I see ketchup. I see cereal. I see dog toys. No rice.
Dog toys are everywhere. It's like they multiply.
Okay, so I find an employee and I say, "Excuse me, where is the rice?"
Yes. Short, clear, simple.
Or I can say, "Excuse me, can you help me find rice?"
Also perfect.
And sometimes the employee points and says, "It's in aisle 4."
Aisle means like a long row in the store.
Exactly.
Let's talk about a more serious situation. Sometimes you need help quickly.
Yes. Maybe you feel sick, or someone falls, or something scary happens.
Simple phrases can help you stay safe. Like, I need help. Call someone, please. Please call 911. I feel sick. I need a doctor.
One time, I was with my friend at a park. She fainted. She passed out.
Oh my gosh, that's scary.
It was. I panicked inside, but I stayed calm outside. And I said to a man nearby, "Please help. She's not okay." And he came right away. He called an ambulance. Everything was okay in the end.
That man was a hero, but also you were brave.
Anyone can be brave with the right words. Let's talk about buses and trains.
Oh boy. The number of times I've taken the wrong bus.
Daniel, you once took a bus going the opposite direction.
Yes. Yes, I did. I saw the city disappear behind me like a sad movie.
So here's a useful phrase. Is this the bus to blank?
Example, is this the bus to downtown?
Or if you're on the bus already, do I get off here for the museum?
Perfect. These questions save lives.
Okay, not lives, but time.
Time is life, Sarah.
True. Let's talk about being polite, because being polite makes people want to help you more.
Definitely. You can add soft words like please, sorry, thank you so much. I appreciate it.
For example, "Excuse me, sorry to bother you. Can you help me?" People will help immediately.
Yep. No one can resist that sentence.
Can I share a story? This one is a little emotional.
Of course.
Okay, so years ago, I traveled alone for the first time. I was in a new country. I didn't know anyone. I didn't speak the language. And honestly, I felt really scared. One night, I couldn't find my hotel. I walked for 30 minutes. Everything looked strange. My phone battery was almost dead. I felt like I wanted to cry.
Oh, Sarah.
Then I saw an older woman standing outside her small store. I said in very broken language, "Please, hotel, I'm lost." And she smiled, a big, warm smile. She didn't speak any English, but she took my hand and she walked with me all the way to my hotel.
That is so beautiful.
It taught me something important. People understand feelings even when they don't understand your language.
I love that story. And it's true, asking for help doesn't make you weak
It makes you human
and brave.
and smart.
And sometimes it saves you from walking around a mall for 40 minutes looking for a pretzel.
Yes, that too. Let's give everyone a few simple phrases they can use right away.
Yes. Repeat after us if you want.
Excuse me, can you help me?
I'm looking for.
Can you say that again?
Is this the right bus?
Where is the bathroom?
I'm lost.
Please speak slowly.
Thank you so much.
So, if you remember one thing from today, let it be this. You don't need perfect English to ask for help.
You just need courage and a simple sentence.
Most people are kind. Most people want to help you, and you deserve that help.
Absolutely. Practice these simple phrases, and next time you're lost, confused, or unsure, you'll know exactly what to say.
We're proud of you. Seriously. Learning a new language takes strength.
You're doing amazing. We're here with you.
All right, everyone. Thank you for being with us today.
We'll see you in the next episode of
Don't forget to hit subscribe, the English Duo podcast.
And share it with friends.
Bye, everyone.